Absolutely delicious. Thank you, Calpurnia. Thank you, Calpurnia. Oh my God, this is the most substantial meal I've eaten for ages. Do you mind if I have some syrup with this tasty bread? Yes, Mr. Cunningham. I get you the best sauce in all of Alabama, all the way from Hong Kong. It's a bomb. Thank you, Calpurnia. I'm just gonna now put this maple syrup on my bread. Oh my God, that smells delicious. Atticus, you should pay us so much more because of this cooking is absolutely fantastic.